Ever feel like your finances are following the lyrics to a Snoop Dogg song, constantly drop it like it's hot? Maybe you need a financial advisor with a smoother flow. Enter Snoop the app, not the Dogfather himself. This budgeting app promises to break down your spending habits, find you better deals, and get you on the financial fast track. But with so many budgeting apps out there, is Snoop the real deal or just another foolish game? Let's break it down and see if Snoop can keep your finances riding in the low. Safety first, Snoop ain't no Snoop. Let's face it, handing over your bank account info to an app can feel a bit like walking through the hood at night. Snoop, however, uses a secure system called open banking. This means they can't see your login details or actually move your money. They simply read your transactions, like a financial bloodhound sniffing out your spending habits. Snoop is also authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, adding another layer of trust. So, while Snoop might keep an eye on your spending, they can't exactly take it all and leave you broke. Snoop's skills, beyond just counting Benjamins. Snoop goes beyond a basic budgeting app. Here's what it can do for you. Transaction tracking. Snoop tracks your spending across all your accounts, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. No more wondering where that mysterious ATM withdrawal Shady Mo's Clown Emporium came from. Budgeting Boss. Snoop helps you create a budget and categorizes your spending. It can even tell you if you're overspending on that daily double grande mocha frappuccino with extra whip habit. Deal Digger. Snoop searches for better deals on your bills, like finding a cheaper energy supplier or a better phone plan. Basically, it helps you avoid getting finagled on your monthly expenses. Saving Snoop. The app can help you set savings goals and track your progress. Imagine Snoop Dogg himself cheering you on as you reach your dream vacation fund. That would be some serious motivation. Is Snoop perfect? No, but here's the catch. While Snoop seems to have the skills to pay the bills, there are a few things to consider. Mixed reviews. User reviews are a bit of a mixed bag. Some users love Snoop's ease of use and helpful features, while others find the data presentation confusing. Subscription service. Snoop isn't free. There's a monthly or annual subscription fee. So, before you sign up, make sure the app's features justify the cost. Limited functionality. Snoop might not be the best choice for complex financial needs or those who prefer a more hands-on approach to budgeting. The verdict: Snoop Dogg or Snoop app? So, is Snoop the financial guru you've been looking for? It depends. Snoop is a great app for people who want a simple and automated way to track spending, find deals, and get some help sticking to a budget. For those who are comfortable with spreadsheets and hardcore budgeting, Snoop might be a bit too laid back. Ultimately, the best way to find out if Snoop is for you is to give it a try. Most budgeting apps offer free trials, so you can test drive Snoop and see if his budgeting skills are worth the crip. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.